Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have a couple of interesting pieces here. This is in the post series, and first of all we have something that I've told people about that I saw, and it is a reusable Father Christmas advent calendar. So there's your numbers all the way from 1 to 24, and this is a pouch of coins that was sent. I don't want to sort of give away too much, but there is they're mainly 50p's by the looks of it, and they're all going to be 50p's. Isle of Man 50p's. There's some just having a quick look. You got four there. I'll let you have a quick look at. It looks as if they're all 50p's in this. 4 there. We have a Tinkerbell. We have a Peter Rabbit 2017. We have a Paddington at the Palace, and there we have a, which one's that one? Ichthyosaurus, I think it is, and they just fit in. He says hopefully they'll fit in, they're just big enough to take the 50p's. If you have a look there, look. So let's just put another one in there. I'm not saying that these will be the numbers that I choose for them to go into, but there you go. We got 24 places, and I think they're all 50p's by the looks of this. This is a change checker reusable advent calendar. I think the price for the coins for this year were I think it's around about just under 40, about £45, something like that. But it is reusable, which is the nice thing about it, and you do get a bag of coins. So I'll just put those to one side for a second. What else did I get this time round? Well, a bit of housekeeping before we do anything else. Let's get that down, and we have 3 cards, the gold edge cards. Celebrating the 10th year for Change Checker. We have the D-Day, we have the Sir Isaac Newton, and we have the Kew Gardens. I think I'm getting very close to getting my 3rd set complete, so we're getting there slowly. Then we have just recently, I think it was Thursday, or it may have been Thursday last week, we celebrated the King's 75th birthday, and that's his £5 coin in the Change Checker livery. We have seen this coin before. It was in the annual commemorative sets. I'm still waiting from the Royal Mint for 3 things. The infamous sets of definitive coins. I've still not received my 2 yet, even though I ordered them on the day of release, and I think it was clear at about 9:15 I ordered them. I know people who ordered them a long time after me have already received them, but I think so far I've had around about 10 days of looking at the Royal Mail, the Royal Mint website to find out it's in progress, and it should be dispatching soon. It's been like that for, as I say, for about a week now, and they're still not dispatched it. I'm also waiting for the silver sixpence for 2023, and I'm waiting on the colour version of this particular coin. And this is the Star Wars, the 3rd one in the series. This is the Luke Skywalker and Princess Leia coin. As I say, I'm waiting for the coloured one to come in from the Royal Mint, and I'll be doing a review on those when I get them. Finally, one of the Pobjoy bits and pieces I've got for this year, and this is a Christmas card. This is a coloured penguins, which is the Falkland Islands Christmas coin for this year. Again, I'll be talking about that in more detail later on. I intend to do as many. I'm looking at possibly repeating what I did last year and do a video for each day of December. I've roughly worked out the order in which I'm going to be doing things. I have 2 advent calendars, so I'll be able to do, and I'll probably be doing a weekly review of the the coins that I get from those calendars, sort of on a Sunday, on each of the Sundays, and then on the 25th doing the ones that were there for the 24th. So we have the Falklands coloured coin in a Christmas card. We have Luke Skywalker and Leia 50p's. We have the £5 coin from the King's birthday. We have 3 change checker cards, and last but by no means least, we have the Christmas coins from Change Checker and their advent calendar. As I say, it's a reusable calendar, so what I might do next year is use this one, if I can't find another one, to do some, maybe a whole set of silver coins, if I can, and then possibly get another renewable calendar and use it for other coins that I've got. So unless I can buy a calendar, of course. So there you go. That's it for this particular in the post. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, could you please give me the thumbs up? And if you haven't done already, could you please look at subscribing? I have been doing 4 or normally 5 videos a week over the recent months. I'm looking to hit a target of 250 by the end of this year. I did originally go up to 250, but for some reason either YouTube or somebody's left me, or YouTube have had a glitch and they've taken one away from me for some reason, and I don't know why. So I'm still just 1 subscriber short as it stands at the moment, and today is Monday the 19th of November, I think it is. Let me just check. Yeah, Monday the 19th, sorry, Monday the 20th of November. So if you can help me out and you believe I deserve it, I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes, a bit of militaria and some occasional collectibles. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.